Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily add music to your Canva website in just a few steps. Click Create, then select Website for this tutorial. Next, explore the left panel to find a variety of website templates available for use. Choose any design you want. For example, select this template, then click Apply to add all 5 pages to your design. All pages are now added to the template. Next, add background music by going to Apps and searching for a suitable music app to integrate with your website. Click Embed, then search for the link to your music to insert it here. Go to youtube.com, then find the music you want to use. Select any background music or type a specific song. After choosing your music, proceed to select the next option or setting as needed. Copy the page URL. Open Canva and paste the copied URL into your project. Click Add to Design to insert your YouTube video into the web link area. Add background music to your website by placing this element anywhere. Then, preview the site and click the music video to see how it works. Click here to continue. That's how it works in this preview. Confirm your music video is working. Then click Share and Download. Choose PDF Standard to save your file, making sure all settings are correct before saving. Select Pages before clicking the download button. Now you know how to add music to your Canva website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.